Hey, we're here to teach you how to perform a pause test today. A pause test is used to determine the health of your Zebra Printhead. So you're going to start by powering your printer down. The power switch is on the back of all tabletops. So you're going to turn it off. Then you're going to push the pause button on the front console of the printer. Push and hold the pause button. Turn the printer back on, and you're going to hold that for about a 5 count. Printer is going to enter into a boot cycle and start to warm up. So why are you going to perform a pause test? It's going to fire every single pixel across the printhead and print on the label. Create a big long black line. That's going to show you where any of the pixels have died and will no longer come back. To end the pause test or pause it, you're going to push pause. And then from there, you're able to see we've got a printhead here that has 2 dead pixels. So dead pixels are going to be vertical lines in your print, and they can go through barcodes or other critical text that could yield a bad result for your labels if they get rejected from vendors or customers. We don't want that. You can continue to use this printhead, no problem, as long as those 2 lines or any lines that are discovered do not affect your print. But if eventually those lines grow or are going through, again, critical information, you're going to want to replace your Zebra printhead. So we call it the pause test. It takes about 30 seconds. And again, gives you a good idea as to whether or not you're going to need to replace your printhead. Thanks for watching.